We'll guide you through how to download and install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.8. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Iris shaders is a really cool mod because it allows us to go and run shaders. So to go and get started, we need to quit the game. Come onto your desktop and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll just use Chrome. And what you want to do is go and type in Iris shaders like so, and you can add Minecraft to the end just to go and help find them. Come to irisshaders.dev. You can go down and read about them, but to go and download them, just press download now and you can get the universal jar and we'll be able to install it shortly. But before we go and install it, we need to go and get some shader packs or a shader pack. A great site I like to use is called CurseForge. You can search for that and come to curseforge.com. On here, there'll be loads of different packs. So select Minecraft, press browse all at the top. We can then come to browse by and go and select shaders. Now you can come through here and see the different packs. There are loads to go and choose from. Personally, I really like the complementary shaders. So I'm going to click on this one at the top. We can go down and see what it looks like. And then to go and get them, press files at the top. You can go and get it for 1.21.8. We'll press the three dots to the right and press download file. We've now downloaded what we're going to need. Before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So what we can do is we can scroll down and start checking out some of their great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support with 24/7 live chat, which is great. Ultra latency, instant setup, a free subdomain, automated backups and a powerful panel, and so many other great features as well. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video, but let's continue. What we need to do is we need to come into our downloads. So let's go and open up our file explorer. Here we are. What you need to do is go and find the Iris installer and go and double click on it. It should go and open up like this. If it doesn't, this is likely because you don't have Java. So you want to go and come back to your web browser and head to java.com. You can then go and download Java and install it like any other app. Then come and right click on the Iris installer, hover over open with and press choose another app. Select Java at the top and you can then go and press always. It will then go and run, and you want to go and select the game version as 1.21.8. And by the way, if it still doesn't run, you can try doing something called a jar fix that relinks jar and Java files together again. Then we can go and press install and it's going to go and run through. Be patient, it's now finished and we can close it. Now you need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher, go to the left of play and you want to go and select Iris and Sodium. Then press play and it's going to run. What we can do is go and get into a world, pause it by pressing escape, press options and video settings. At the top, press shader packs and press open shader pack folder. Then what you can do is go and add in the pack like so. If you've got multiple, add them in and return to Minecraft. It will go and appear in this list here. You want to go and select it and make sure shaders are enabled and press apply. As you can see, we can now go and see them. And these look absolutely insane. You can go and see the water's changed, the lighting's different, there are shadows, and I think it's a really great addition to Minecraft and really enhances it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.